Hello, my name is Maximilian Kühnel and I'm a product specialist for the dry part machines at Krones. Energy is a direct cost driver for your operational costs. And one big lever is the shrink tunnel. The shrink tunnel is responsible for the pack quality, but also is a high energy consuming machine in your line. The challenge is how to bring the heat under full control only where it makes sense. We at Krones have optimized our shrink tunnel for the Variopac Pro in 3 points. First, an adjustable bottom chamber. Second, a heat input from above. And third, a new developed shaft wall geometry for a better and consistent airflow. With all those 3 points in action, we promise an energy saving of up to 20%. And this is where sustainability meets business performance, turning energy efficiency into real cost savings. And by the way, the best is you already can implement, for example, the shaft walls in your already installed machines, which already leads to significant energy reduction. Thank you.